The last video walked you through WordPress themes, and this one explains 2 easy ways to adjust where certain content appears in your theme: menus and widgets. Let's take a look at my site and I'll show you where these tools come into play. See this row of links right here? This sort of thing is often controlled by a menu. Let's say you publish a bunch of pages and they all show up in your header, but you don't want them there. On the other hand, maybe you publish some pages and they don't show up anywhere on your site. Either way, menus are your answer, and they give you total control over what links appear where. Let's create a menu and I'll show you how this works. Access menus from the admin toolbar by clicking Appearance and Menus. I don't have a menu yet, so I'll enter a name and click Create Menu. Next, I just choose whatever I want to display in the menu. All my choices are over here on the left: Pages, Links, and Categories. I'll select the pages I want to show up and click Add to Menu to add them. If you don't see a page you want, click the View All or Search tabs. You can also click Links to add a hyperlink and give it a title. And let's click Categories to add some of those. I actually want posts from all these categories to show up, but I only want a single link to them in the menu because I don't want to clutter my page with every category name. That's why I created a parent category named Blog back in video 4, remember? Now, I simply add the blog category to my menu, and all the posts from its child categories will appear when I click that on my site. Now drag the menu items around into whatever order you want. Don't forget to tell WordPress where to display this menu. This theme lets me choose between the primary or footer menu, and since the primary menu is the one along the top of the page, I'll check that. Save your changes when you finish, and now let's take a look. It looks good, right? And here's my blog. Now, let's discuss widgets. They're like boxes that you can drag things into and make them instantly appear on your site. Widgets are a lot like menus, but they appear in different spots around your theme and they have many options that menus don't offer. If you click on Widgets under the Appearance tab, you'll see the widget areas that your theme provides. Mine has 9 to choose from. All I do now is drag whatever widgets I want into the widget areas where I want them to appear. For the right sidebar, I want to show my post categories, a blog archive to show posts by publication date, and a calendar. If it's inconvenient to drag widgets around, you can just click them once. Select the sidebar where you want them to appear, and click to add them there. I also want to add some widgets to my header area. First, I'll add a text widget, then add my restaurant address, hours of operation, and a phone number. Clicking Automatically Add Paragraphs prevents the text from running together. Okay, that should do it for my sidebar and header. Let's take a look. Looks good. I can click any month, category, calendar date, or tag to bring up all corresponding posts. Here's my only post using the Victoria tag so far. The header looks great too, and if this site is viewed on a mobile phone, the visitor can click right on the number to call. Another spot for widgets is on my Contact Us page. I want visitors to find my phone number, address, and contact form immediately, and this theme provides some helpful functionality to facilitate that. I'll show you how to apply it in 2 locations. First, notice this contact page sidebar widget area? I'll add a pair of text widgets there with my restaurant phone, hours, and address, like I did for the header using the text widget. Now see where it says Shows Widgets on Contact Page Template? Let's edit my Contact Us page, and I'll show you how to apply that template. See this template drop down? Some themes come with several page designs to choose from. I'll choose the Contact Page template, and when I update the page, the Contact Page sidebar widget area will show up here. Now I'll add a few widgets to the footer area and we'll finish up this video. Footer sidebars 1, 2, and 3 are arranged like 3 columns along the bottom of the page, so I'll add a widget to each to distribute them across the page. My store location, my phone number, hours of operation, refresh the page. That's looking good. This was just a small example of what you can do with widgets and menus. Experiment with the placement of them to discover what works best for your site. Okay, that's it for this video. Watch the next video to find out how to create multiple users. We'll see you then.